This is a review for the Half Moon Desktop Light by Haiti. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it right, but the brand sent me this to review, so let's dig in. I'm going to show you the pieces that come in the box. It's very simple, very few pieces. This is the Half Moon Arch. It comes folded like this. And then these are the feet. I'm going to call them the feet. It comes with a mounting bar for your phone. And these are the instructions, obviously. But you really won't even need them because the assembly is so simple. I couldn't get over how simple this was. You simply just unfold it, and then you place, this is the bottom. It has a non-stick sliders on the bottom of the feet, so that it won't slide across the table, which is really smart. And you just press it into the base. And that's really all you have to do as far as assembly goes. Here you'll see me plugging in the power cord, and the power cord is really long. You get a nice generous amount, so you don't have to worry about being really close to an outlet, which is really convenient. The switches are just, you press it in to turn it on, and then you turn the dial to adjust the color. It is dimmable, so you can make it a soft light or you can make it a really bright light, and it actually gets really bright, which could be really convenient. And then you can also change the color temperature, I would call it, because you can make it a warm light or you can make it like a really stark blue light. Here you'll see me using it at my coloring table. This is where I color, and I can see using this for content creation if I want to record myself coloring the pages. It's really meant for estheticians, I think. Like if you do nails or or something like that, it's really useful. And I think that's what's intended for. But I can see content creators of all types using this light because you can mount your phone right above what you're working on, and as well as have that light shining directly on your project or whatever it is that you're working on. So all in all, I give this 5 stars because this thing is so convenient, and I can see myself using this for a very long time.